Let's be real, we all have that one basket of scrap yarn that's too small for a sweater but too pretty to throw away. What if I told you that those tiny leftovers are actually your highest profit margin waiting to happen? Welcome back, makers. Today we aren't just looking at the cute patterns, we are looking at your next Etsy bestseller. Keychains are the impulse buy of crochet world. They are low cost, fast to ship, and high demand. Whether you are a seasoned pro or just pick up a hook, I am about to show you how to turn tiny stitches into thriving Shopify brand. First up, the micro amigurumi trend. People are going crazy for things with little faces, mini bees and whales. These are the all reliable. They take 15 minutes to make and almost zero stiffing. The emotional sports series. Think tiny pickles, potatoes, sunflowers, mushroom, holding the little felt signs. These aren't just chains, they are gifts, and gift sells years round. Seasonal switch ups don't just make one thing. On Etsy, you want to rotate. Think tiny pumpkins in October and permanent swirls in December and chunky hearts for February. Use safety eyes that are slightly larger than usual. It gives them the kawaii look that's drop the scroll. If cute isn't your brand, let's talk about Boho. If you are building a Shopify store, you like to want a cohesive adult aesthetic, the resale yarn land. This is lifesaver for busy moms and students. Use a sturdy cotton yarn or even raffia. It's functional art. Pressed flower coasters for your keys. No, but seriously, tiny crochet daisies or sunflowers attached to a high quality gold lobster claws looks expensive. Crochet simple to the letter monogram. People love personalized items, and a monogram keychain is the easiest way to offer custom work without a 10-hour commitment. Let's talk numbers. Why are keychains the goldmine of online selling? Shipping, they fit in Google Mailer. You aren't fighting with giant box of $20 shipping label. Add-ons, use them as order bumps. If somebody buys a $60 blanket, offer them a matching keychain for $8 at checkout. The bundle strategy, don't just